Everyone, this is your tech host Avishka, and the bulletin today starts with India's AI policy framework at IMC. AI deployment requires ethical governance. Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit prepares for launch. Google partners with small nuclear reactors. Huawei launches HarmonyOS next. Constellation aims for global internet connectivity. Now we have yesterday's quiz. We asked who invented compact disc. The answer is James Russell. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What type of cable is commonly used for high-speed internet? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Now the first news starts with India will introduce its artificial intelligence policy framework during the Indian Mobile Conference. Repeat, during the Indian Mobile Congress 2024 starting October 15, the event will showcase AI integration in various government ministries and feature Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address focusing on technology advancements. The telecom sector is preparing for a discussion on AI's potential, including a proposed independent authority for AI regulation. Over 50 speakers will address AI and generative AI topics. A startup program will feature 140 AI-focused startups. IMC is held alongside two significant global telecom meetings aiming to position India as a leader in emerging technologies. Now, at the ITU WTSA event, Communications Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia stressed that artificial intelligence deployment must be guided by ethics and a solid regulatory framework. He highlighted the importance by addressing privacy and bias concerns to ensure AI technologies serve the public good. The rise of AI raises the need for standards to ensure that it's safe and effective. Scindia emphasized that ethical consideration should guide the digital landscape as AI reshapes information, processing and business operation, enabling unprecedented agility and precision. Now we have Qualcomm's Snapdragon Summit, which is approaching, where it will unveil its next flagship SoC, possibly called Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition or Snapdragon 8 Elite. Devices like iQOO 13 have shown impressive benchmark scores, indicating the new chip could outperform Apple's A18 Pro in multi-core performance. The iQOO 13 scored 10,052 points in multi-score test, suggesting a 17% lead over Apple's chip. This advancement indicates Qualcomm's potential to enhance mobile performance, although efficiency comparisons remain to be seen as the launch date nears. Now, Google has signed a deal with Kairos Power to build 7 small nuclear reactors for its AI project. These reactors will produce 500 megawatt of power, with the first expected to operate by 2030. This move aims to secure clean energy for AI development, which requires substantial electricity. Other tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon are also investing in nuclear energy to meet growing energy demands. Small modular reactors are seen as the most cost-effective alternative to traditional nuclear power. Now we have Huawei, which is launching its new operating system HarmonyOS next on October 15 for selected devices like Mate 60 and MatePad Pro. The company aims to move away from Android and create its own software that produces a wide range of applications. HarmonyOS started as an Android skin but now is a standalone OS, plans to support over 10,000 apps. However, the new version won't support Android apps. This shift shows Huawei's commitment to self-sufficiency in its software ecosystem, targeting a significant share of China's smartphone market, which increasingly favors HarmonyOS. Now, India is rapidly progressing in 6G technology and ranks among the top 6 countries in 6G patent fillings. The government aims to make India a leader in developing 6G technology by 2030, evaluating numerous proposals to accelerate research. With 2 next-generation test buds funded by the Department of Telecommunication, India is preparing for significant contributions of global standards. The World Telecom Standardized Assembly 2024, hosted in India, will gather experts from all around the world to shape the future of telecom, including advancements like 5G, fostering collaboration and innovation. Last but not the least, Delfieux, a former World Bank engineer, founded Constellation in 2022 to provide universal internet access through space technologies. The company plans to work with telecom operators using innovative satellite operating at low Earth orbit. Constellation's goal is to offer high-speed internet by leveraging the existing 5G spectrum used by telecom providers. With Euro 9.3 million in funding, the startup aims to deploy 1,500 satellites to achieve global coverage, promising fast download speeds and low latency. The first payload is set to launch by mid-2025 to test their service. This was it for today's news. Stay tuned to IT Voice for more such tech updates.